Hello students, today we'll start a new exercise that is 5.7 of this algebraic expression. So before I start, last time we have done in 5.6 regarding addition of algebraic expression by horizontal or vertical method. Now today subtraction. So if I subtract one example, twice y, if I subtract twice y from 5y, that means from 5y. So if I write 5y minus twice y, then we know 5 minus 2, 3, 5. So I think clear. So twice y from, so 5y. So 5y I have to write in front, then minus twice y. So it will be twice y. So here, simple, same way, we have to do first question number 1, subtract the algebraic expression. It is mentioned there in the question by horizontal method. So if it is horizontal method, number A, so 7y from 15y. So 15y, you write 15y minus 7y. So if you subtract this one, 15 minus 7, so yes, 15 minus 7. Here we have to subtract just or like this, no? 15 minus 7, numeric. You subtract this one. How much? 15 minus 7, 8. So 8. 5. So 8y. Now if you see here, same way, if you see question number B or question number C, let me show one more sums, that is question number D. It is what? Minus 4g from minus 10g. So first, this is horizontal method, no? Minus 10g minus, so minus 4g. Okay, I'm putting in bracket because we have to subtract, and here minus already there, so I'm putting it here. So minus 10g. So minus plus 4g. Now if you subtract this one, minus 10 minus 4, it will be 6g, and in front of this greater 10 is bigger, so in front of that number negative is there, so I'm maintaining the negative sign. So what we got? Minus 6g. I think it is clear with question number 1. So same way we'll proceed with question number 2. Here also question number 2, the sums is regarding subtract the following expression using vertical method. So here method they are telling us to change vertical method using 5x minus 3y plus 12z from 45z minus 16y. Clear, I think. Subtract the following expression using vertical method. 5x minus 3y plus 12z from 45z minus 16y, and we have to use vertical method. So first you write 45z minus 16y. So here, so this is from, no, so I have to write this one in from. So then here 5x, so I write 5x. So z, no, this z, plus 12 z, then minus 3y. So here, so while doing subtraction, all the rule is you have to follow the steps. First thing, what is from behind, that one I have to write in front. Then what is in front, that is below from. That's why I have to write this the first part below. Then after noting down within the like term, I'm arranging it. So 5x, then 45z. So below I am writing this 12z because it is like term. Then minus 3y, that is like term. And then next thing, what you have to do in subtraction, you have to change the symbol. Now if it is minus, change it to plus, put it in brackets so that we'll remember. Then this nothing is here means plus, and here nothing is plus means minus, minus means plus. Now take it as positive, take it as positive. So minus and plus, so minus plus minus, the sums we have to subtract. So if you subtract this one, 16 minus 3, 13y, clear, and this sign is minus. Similarly, if you subtract this one, so 45 minus, because now we have to take minus. Now 45 minus 12, here if you subtract 3, then it will be 4 minus 1, 3, and 3, and it will be z, and here minus 5x. So I think it is clear, it is 5x. So you can note down these sums. Now if you see, I am subtracting these two, first two, 16 minus 3, 13, 45 minus 12, 33, then minus 5x, putting it down. So I think it is clear. Now I'll proceed with question number 4. Simplify the following algebraic expression. Now I will share one more sums is there in between, that is before I start with the question number 4, that is question number 3, that is two sums here. Just straight away they are mentioned, subtract minus b from what, 12b, from 12b. So they have not directed means they have not mentioned about the method. Straightly you can do, if you write 12b, then minus what, minus b. If you do the sum 12b minus plus b, that is now 1b it is. So 12 plus 1, 13b. I think it is clear now, so you can note down. So this is question number 3. Now again, based on what they have mentioned from, so I am writing 12 in front. So this is in a horizontal method. Same way, note down. Now we'll proceed with question number B. So if you see question number B, then take away what, minus twice x, from where, from 19x. Take away minus twice x from 19x. So 19x, take away what, minus twice x. So here 19x minus plus, so 21x. Clear, I think 21x it is. So here 19x minus, we have to subtract, so what subtract, minus twice x. So minus plus, put it by changing its sign. Then again, now if you add up 9, 10, 11, 21x. I think it is clear. Now we'll proceed with question number 4. Now if you see question number 4, there clearly it is mentioned about simplifying the following algebraic expression. First, number A. So here n minus 10 plus 9n minus 3. So here we have to arrange first n. If you see n, any other term similar to n, like yes, 9n. Then again minus 10 you write. The next one is minus 3. I think it is clear. This is the algebraic expression, and I am arranging them closer like term. These two are like closer. Now you 10 plus 1, 9 plus 1, 10, and minus 10 minus plus, it will be 13 minus 13. So adding up 10n, adding up minus 13. Clear, I think, with this sums. Now again, if I do another sums here in question number 4e. So if I proceed with this sum e, here you'll get 6x square, then 6x square minus twice x square, then minus 2x. So here the like terms, these two are like. So if you subtract these two, 4 x square minus twice x. So I think it is clear. So these are unlike terms because the exponent is different, x to the power 2, x to the power 1. So within like terms I am subtracting, getting 4 x square, then minus 2x. So this is the answer. I think it is clear now. Now the fifth question, if we proceed here, as if you see as directed, do the following as directed. Now first A, if you see the direction is what? Subtract like this, 8p plus 9k, 8p plus 9k minus 17 from, clearly mentioned, that means they are mentioning from what? 2pq plus 7p minus 8q plus 15. I think it is clear. 8p plus 9k minus 17 from twice pq, 7p minus 8q plus 15. Now means as directed, from this we have to subtract. So clearly mentioned, we have to write this one first. Twice pq plus 7p minus 8q plus 15. Clear? Then next, if I see any pq here, no pq. Any p, yes, 8p. Then k there is no k here. Then 17 is there, minus 17. And one more term, that is k plus 9k. 9k is here. So now if I want to subtract, before we subtract, we know clearly that here the sign will change, no? Here the signs will change. So if I change the sign here it will be only 9k because no k is here. So if you do plus 7 plus 5, 12, 1 2 3, clear? Then 32, and that will be plus itself. So again q, there is no minus 8q, no there is no q, so noting down, no q is there. So next, if you see here, plus minus, so it will be minus 1 p. Subtracting 8 minus 7, 1. So it is 1 p. So next one, after this greater number in front minus, so I'm writing minus. So next is 2 pq. Here alone, so nothing to subtract, so I'm straight away noting down 2 pq minus p minus 8q plus 32 minus 9k. I think subtract the first expression from the second expression. So second expression I am noting down here, first expression below. So putting them in here, doing in a vertical method, using vertical method, and now changing the rule is what we have to change the sign since it is subtraction. So then minus, here plus 32, here it will be minus 8q. If you subtract this one minus p, then twice pq. I think it is clear. Today I will stop here itself. So thank you for listening. Practice the sums at home.